new life from the most impossible place, a grave. Nonetheless, he's here. Impossible. Yesterday, what looked like his failure was literally set in stone. But this morning, that stone is no longer where it was, and everything has changed. The enemy's been beaten, crushed, really. The celebration of what he pulled off Friday, it's over. How did this happen? He was lost, but now he's here, right in front of me. I didn't know it was him. Who would? But if it is, if it's him, it changes everything. It changes who I thought he was. It changes who I thought the enemy was. It changes me. He is risen.